Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, as you know, it was quite around VeChain, and also I'm still expecting another low. However, same situation as with AVAX. When I see something, I want to make you aware, and here I do see something. Now, don't get me wrong. We are still so far away from a level where you can reasonably suggest that the bear market is over. However, it obviously all starts in the small or on the small time frame. So I want to always make you aware as soon as possible. Unfortunately, with all these coins and charts, you can always only really confirm a low after the price has already moved quite a bit. So you need to be a bit patient, and if you really want to wait for the overall, low, or let's say if you really want to wait for the confirmation that the bear market is in, then you probably have to be a bit more patient. But everybody who likes to have a bit more risk, I want to provide a really good service and want to make you aware of a possible trend change as soon as possible. Now, nothing is guaranteed here, but I did count the microwaves here now. The microwaves. I did count the smaller waves in this possible move up. And I mean, at the moment, I'm looking at this as a wave 4 in a larger diagonal still to the downside, but we can currently see 3 waves up, and there is of course a chance that we get a 5th wave up. Now, the situation was a bit different with AVAX, yeah. So with AVAX, I also made you aware when we had 3 waves up that this could become something, and it did become something. Difference with AVAX is obviously that it had already broken out of its channel, of its wedge. VeChain hasn't done that yet. However, this could become something interesting because we have here a possible inverse head and shoulders incoming with a neckline around the 1.95 cent level. So we're not quite there yet. But if we break above this 1.95 cent level, it's a bit of a range all the way up to 1.96. That could lead to a breakout all the way maybe into the 2.2, 2.5 cent range. It's not only that, or you could even see that as a cup and handle, which might be coming here, especially looking at the wave count here, which suggests that if we interpret this in a bullish way, we could say we had here a wave 1, here a wave 2, here a wave 3. This is a wave 4 handle incoming, and then another wave 5 up, which could sort of take us out of this, or maybe even take us close to the end of the channel, right? So again, I want to make you aware of this. I know in the last few weeks a lot of people asked for a VeChain update. There was nothing really to analyze, but now we've got something, and as soon as I have stuff to work with, I'm already looking, then I'm doing it. I'm already looking really forward to the bull run, because this will be busy, but it will be very interesting because at least we will have more reliable structures and so on. But yeah, this is certainly the possibility. Wave 1 in, wave 2 in, wave 3 in. Alternatively, or actually still in the main count, we still have an ABC here. But of course, anybody who likes risk could, for example, look for an entry in the wave 4. And that would be here between 1.82 cents and 1.73 as a possible entry point. Now again, you need to decide if you do this, because we're coming from a very long downtrend. It is really the first structure to the upside, so we have no confirmation or anything. I personally would wait for the 5 waves up to get a confirmed wave 1, yeah, and then scale into the wave 2. Basically, when we then come down in an ABC. A lot of you will know what I'm talking about, some of you won't, so it would be something like that. And if we then make the higher low, then we've got a wave 1 up here. Those 5 waves would form a wave 1. And we have a wave 2 down, and at the end of the wave 2, it's then possible to scale in, and you have a higher, the trade will work out with a higher likelihood, because you at least have the confirmed 5 waves up. Because after this 3rd wave here, this can still fail to the downside. So this can obviously still squiggle a bit higher. There's no confirmation we are coming down yet. And as you can see here, the beginning of that target range is quite close to the current high anyway. So, however, this could take us up in a 5th wave to around. I'm going to give you an estimate target. If we look at the wave 3 length, go down to the low of the 4th wave, target here, yeah, would be between 1.93 cents and 2 cents in the most ideal target, yeah. These can always go a bit higher. Maybe the 1.236 extension would be quite a long wave 5, but nothing impossible. We've seen in this you could call it small bull run, we've seen quite a lot of coins actually move up quite strongly in their fifth waves at the moment. So it's not impossible. Okay, and that's my update about VeChain. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.